Hi to all my viewers. Today I am going to show you how to make samosa chaat with black chana. This can be used as an appetizer as well as an evening snack. For this, all we want is samosas, black chana, small pierced onion, tomatoes, ginger and green chilies, and curd, cilantro to garnish it, roasted cumin seeds, lemon, red chili powder, chaat masala, black salt and regular white salt. And this is tamarind and date chutney, which you can prepare at your home as well as you can get it ready-made. I just got it from store, so I'll use it as it is. For first step, we'll just take samosas in a plate, whichever quantity we want, 1 or 2. Then we'll just mash them properly. I think for this I'll take 2, and this will be enough for one person. After putting the samosas in one plate, we'll just add some tomato pieces. After that, I'll sprinkle the cut onion. You can add onion as per your taste. If you don't want to add, you can avoid it also. If you like it more, you can add more. If you don't like more, you can add a little bit for taste. After adding onion, I'll just spread the curd, which I have just made smooth. Be conscious that you should not get lumps in your curd, otherwise the taste will be not that much good. After putting the curd, I'll just put 1 or 2 pieces of ginger and again the cut green chilies. After that, I'll just sprinkle a little bit of red chili powder on this. You can add red chili powder as per your taste. If you want it bit hot, then you can add more. Otherwise, I think the added green chilies are enough to make it hot. Then a bit white salt. After that, a pinch of black salt. Be conscious because you already have added white salt, so your taste should not get more sour because of salt taste. And again, after this, I'm gonna add some chaat masala, which is again ready-made. The people who know how to prepare chaat masala at home, they can also prepare it, but I prefer ready-made because it also tastes good. After putting all these things, I'll just put boiled black chanas. These I soak overnight and then I'll get it boiled. And now I am putting this on my chaat. If you like more, you can put more. Otherwise, for garnishing purpose, you can use 3-4 pieces. After doing all this, I am spreading roasted cumin seeds, which I roast and then I make them powdery a bit. You just put it like this. After this, if you want, you can add more onions on the top to make it a bit colorful. Again, the tomatoes, 1 or 2 pieces of tomatoes, not more. And now I am going to spread lemon juice on this chaat. That also depends on your taste. If you don't want lemon, you can avoid this as well. Now I am just adding this tamarind and date chutney on the top of all this because it will give you a somewhat sour, sweet and tangy taste. If you want more, later on you can add more after mixing all these things. After all this, my last step will be just take 2 or 3 leaves of cilantro, which we call hara dhania, and then just garnish it. And now, after doing all this thing, your samosa and chana chaat is ready. You can use it as an evening snack, or you can use it as an appetizer before your dinner. And this plate is enough for one person, so in this way you can make as well as you want. Thank you for your viewing. Bye. Have a great time.